Okay, everybody, welcome back to Painting 101. We're going to paint the last green door. We're going to prime it. Same situation, dunk, dunk, slap, slap. Apply the product first. We want to hear the slapping on the edge. That way we can get the graining. See the graining? Perfect. We want it right on the middle of that panel. Now we're going to feather over to get rid of any black marks. Do your second panel. Now feather over your inlay, get the black marks out. You might as well do the top, cut it in, turn your brush sideways. Open the door a little bit, we don't want to hit the frame. Those are two pieces of difference from we don't paint the frame when we're painting the door. Cut this in. Apply the product and then we are going to feather over it for the last time. Do this piece. And we're going to feather over it. Now you're going to kneel down and you're going to do your lower panels. Apply the paint first. Now you're going to feather in your inlay to get rid of any imperfections. Do your middle piece, apply it first, and then feather over it. Next panel. Apply the product first. Okay, go over the edge, feather over your work to get the nice graining going, then finish your inlay. Do the middle piece. Apply the product first, then nicely feather over it. Do your next panel, apply the paint first, do your inlay. Once you get started, you'll see the black marks and you'll have to correct them. Do your middle piece. Do your bottom piece. You have to turn sideways a little bit with your body. There you go. Apply the paint first, and then we're going to feather over it to blend everything in. Now you're going to work on your side rail. You're going to open your door a little bit, and you're going to cut this all the way down the door. Where it meets the frame, you're going to cut it in. To do that, we turn our brush sideways. Apply the paint first. Now you're going to turn your brush sideways like this, and you're going to feather it all in. Just like that. Come back up one more time. Now do your other side rail. There you go, all the way up as far as you can reach. Now you're gonna bring it back down, feather all of this in, correct over your work because you're gonna see black marks from where you didn't feather it in. Stand up. Finish off this last side rail piece, cut it in. Feather it down. Finish off this one. Feather over your work to blend it all in. One more time, go all the way up. Now let's see your door. Looks like a professionally painted door to me. Stand by for more 101 painting.